Hello, I'm Darrell Smith here at 71 at Beyond. And today we pay homage to the winter bodies, making our famed buffalo chicken dip. We're gonna start off by taking a rotisserie chicken and just shredding it up and putting it in a nice big bowl, along with some canned chicken. So before we add our ingredients to the chicken, we wanna get our topping on the pan. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna heat up a pot. You're gonna take 2 sticks of cream cheese and just put that right in the pot. And what we're gonna do with this chicken is add our mozzarella to it. And so what this is gonna do, one, it's gonna keep that chicken like together, because that stringy cheese will just act like a binder to keep everything together. But it'll also add like a nice little flavor to the chicken as well. All right, so we got that. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some hot sauce. And me personally, I like Frank's Red Hot, all right? He did not pay me to say that. I wish he did, but he didn't. So we add a little Frank's Red Hot to this. We'll mix this up like thus. While this is melting, what I'll do is, one, put on another glove, and we're just gonna shred this. Like I said, you just wanna grade this. I would say for this amount of chicken, yeah, maybe about a cup and a half. Or if you're like me, you just add the whole block to it, because, like I said, this is for our winter body people. We have 2 sticks of cream cheese, okay? We got about a cup, maybe a little more of your ranch dressing. Add that to that. Next, let's take this bad boy, which we like to call a baking sheet, right? Super simple. Move this to the side and get yourself like some spray. Just spray the bottom. Here's the easier part. We're gonna take this, we're gonna do something cool and just add it on a flat board. Just like that. Just mix that together. And what this is gonna do, we're just gonna put this on top, all right? That's done. Nice and creamy, all right? Now you're just gonna layer this like lasagna. On the first level, put your buffalo chicken, and what I do is I press it down, because you're gonna add a liquid on top anyway. That'll infuse it with the ranch dressing, no matter what. And also when you dip into it, it's almost like you're dipping in layers. So you're gonna go through a layer of cheese, a layer of this mixture, and then you'll get to the chicken. And now we're just gonna layer this top on it like that. All right, so I just like to go across, boom, just like that. You might not need all of it, all right? This is actually enough for 2, so if you can get 2 out of it, that's fine. All right? So that's what it looks like. So that's layer 2, all right? So buffalo chicken on the bottom, that's layer 2, the creaminess, boom. So here we go, right there. Let's spread that right on top. Right on top. So that's it. If you can look at that, you see the layers. So on the bottom, we got our buffalo chicken. Second layer is our creamy goodness of cream cheese and ranch dressing. And on the top, we got a mixture of mozzarella cheese and sharp cheddar. You just throw it in the oven, all right? You'll know it's done when the cheese is nice and browned on top. And that's it. Now we get to eat this beautiful, delicious buffalo chicken dip. Thank you.